Hi there, my name is Hardeepka and I am a student of IT. Today I would like to share a topology with you which I done. So you can see my topology. In the first part, I made a topology in which I used three switches, that is 296, and two distribution switches 3650, and routers 2911, and endpoints, that is a generic PC. You can see that for a headquarter building I use these three switches, and for an engineer and testing building I use these three switches. And then I connected these switches to the distribution switch on the both sides. Same with there, these switches are connected with these switches. So the headquarter building distribution switch also connected to a one router, and then again this router is connected to a ISP. You can see that for a connection of switches I use a two interface boundary. You can see here I also use here a two interface boundary, but for a router I use a single interface boundary. The next step is configure a VLANs. So let's start with the VLANs. To configure a VLANs, firstly go to your switch. Sorry about that. Go to any switch. Here you are. You can see my VLANs. Like I give a different number for each VLAN. Like for a customer I give a 5, for a staff 6, and for a guest 7. And you can see that these are active. Same with this. Go to any switch, CLI, enter, show VLAN. Here you are. So you can see my VLANs. The next step is trunking. For a trunking, go to a distribution switch, yeah, and put your command. Go to a config mode and put your command do show int trunk. Here you are. So you can see my trunking on a distribution switch in which all the mode are on, and it's a trunking, it show a trunking. The next step, the third task, was a spanning tree protocol. Firstly I convert the distribution switch as if I make a distribution switch as a root bridge. For that I put a command, that is a span tree like your number and then a priority. So for spanning, enter a command show span. Here you can see my spanning tree protocol. These are my spanning tree protocol. There is some roles that are some are blocked and some are open, and you can see a cost. Same with the switch 2. Go to a distribution switch 2, CLI, show span. So you can see my spanning tree protocol. The fourth task was the channel bonding. For a channel bonding, go to a distribution switch, uh, give me a second, and put a command show ether channel summary. Here you are. So you can see my channel bounded which I done on the both distribution switches. So these are my channel bounded. I make the group like 14, 15, 16 for these ports. So this was my channel bonding. And the fifth task is inter VLAN routing, which I done on a router. For that put here command show IP route. Here you can see that I use a 201.202.25./25 IP address that is directly connected to a gigabit internet. Oh, so you can like do a inter-VLAN routing like this. This was the for inter-VLAN routing. So this was my topology. I hope it will be helpful for me and I learn a lot of things from it. Thank you.